boots the BJP's entire cut money offensive against the TMC government as elections continue in the state of West Bengal?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a biggest blow to the TMC government, as the court has given a very strict order and more than 24,000 this job will be cancelled, and the entire panel of 2018 stands null and void. So definitely this is the case in which Partha Chatterjee is behind the bars in the ED case and also in the CBI case. This is the case where not only Partha Chatterjee, another two MLAs are behind the bars, and certain other young Trinamool Congress leaders are also in jail. So this is one of the biggest alleged recruitment scam where the investigation were going to CBI. And when the CBI did the investigation, ED came into it. So this is said to be a multi-crore recruitment scam, and therefore amidst the election, when this verdict comes up, this is definitely a very big blow for the Trinamool Congress government. More than 590 days, candidates are sitting on road for job. The people whose actual name was in the panel, who did not get a call, interview call, who was supposed to get the interview call. Those, they are sitting in the road till now in Kolkata for more than 590 days. More than 590 days, they are saying it's shanti for them. They have got justice, but they are still not happy because they feel that they want the job. It is their, whatever these exams were, there were certain numbers. They competed and they actually got their names in this panel. But they did not get an interview call. They did not get a job. People with less numbers, only because they actually bought those jobs, they got the teacher jobs. So that is where it is a very big scam.
Right, but right. Please continue.
So where it is a very big blow for TMC government. Let me tell you, this is of 2016. 2016's panel has been declared null and void. That means the way this 2016 panel came up of Group C and Group D recruitment for 9 to 12, all these are illegal. That's what the court has stated. Not only that, the court has stated that the people who got the job, more than 24,000 people, they have to give back their salary as an interest. Now, and the SSC has to start the new recruitment process. Now, School Service Commission will go for a press conference at around 1 o'clock. What we are coming to know that the state is likely to approach the Supreme Court on this. But definitely, this is a very big blow, because this is the case in which the former Education Minister Partha Chatterjee is behind the bars, other MLAs of TMC are behind the bars, other leaders of TMC are behind the bars.
Absolutely, and this case also involves the mountains of cash that were found from Partha Chatterjee and his aide. Thank you, Kamalika, for getting us that piece of breaking news. So the legal fight is far from over, because what we are learning is that this fight could head to the Supreme Court as well. Now, my colleague Kamalika Sengupta also got us this ground report as the war of words escalates between the TMC and the BJP.
So it's a major embarrassment definitely for the TMC government that this 2016 panel has been declared null and void, and all those peoples, more than 24,000 people who got job through backdoor, they have to give back their salary with interest. We have with us the candidates who actually applied for the job and actually they are the people who are sitting in dharna for more than 1 year, who actually through right way wanted the job. We are with them. We will just and a lot of them have actually done the case for which they needed the justice. We will talk to them. Tell us that what this judgment says.
This judgment says already 23,700 job has been cancelled by the Honorable Justice Boshak and Sabbar Rasidi. But they said to start appointment within 15 days. So it is our humble request to the commission, SSC commission, to start our recruitment process as soon as possible. because we are not satisfied about their
Are you happy कि ये जो दूसरे खराब तरीके से जिन लोगों को मिला उन लोगों का null and void हो गया है, इसमें आप खुश हो?
Yes, obviously we are happy but not satisfied because we need the job.
For how long you all are sitting here?
We are sitting here 599 days and we are deprived since 2016, almost 7 years.
आप बताओ कि क्या ये जो राय आए हैं इसमें खुशी है कि जो लोग कौन हु वांट्स टू से आप बताओ कि इसमें आपका खुशी है कि जो लोग गलत तरीके से जिनको जॉब मिला था वो नल एंड वॉइड हो जाएगा?
तो बहुत खुश है क्योंकि वो लोग को लिए हमारा जो 8 साल नष्ट हो गया, तो इसीलिए
आप लोग यू आर ट्राइंग नो व्हाट वेर योर्स है, मतलब आप लोग ट्राई कर रहे थे, आप लोग भी उसे अप्लाई किए थे और आप लोगों का आपको नौकरी नहीं हुआ इंटरव्यू होने के बाद?
नहीं एग्जाम का जितना पर्याय था हम लोग पास किया, फिर भी हम लोग को नौकरी नहीं हुआ.
Right, so that is the pitch coming in from the protesters that even though justice has been delivered somewhat by the Calcutta High Court, jobs are still pending for so many people on the ground when it comes to the SSC scam in West Bengal. But another jolt to the TMC government from the Calcutta High Court when it comes to the entire issue of cut money as the elections continue in West Bengal. We're going to take a quick break now. More news and updates on the other side.